Okay, this is I-8, the end of Unit I for geometry. And let's see if we can figure it out. If S is false, then what's the truth value for not S? So what's not false? True is not false. If Q is false, what's the truth value for Q and Q? So this would be a false and false. Remember, and both of them have to be true for it to be true, so this would be false. If S is true, what's the truth value for not S and S? So not true and true. What's true and true? True. But then what's not true? False. If Q is false and R is false, what's the truth value? So what's R right now? False. And it really doesn't matter because we already have a false and an and. But what's not Q? So what's not false? True. But since this is false and this is an and, it's going to be false. If Q is false, R is true, and S is false. Again, it really doesn't matter because we have a false and an and, but let's go ahead and finish it out. So false and false or true is true because you only have to have one true if you have an or. Oops, I don't know what I just did. Okay. And then false and true would be false. If R, which is true, or Q, which is false, or Q, which is false. So true or false, that would be true, or false, which would be true. So not Q, they're both false. Okay, so false, false, false. So what do you think? This is going to be false. This is going to be false. So what's not false? True. Not R, which is false, and Q, which is true. So what's not false? True. True and true is true. So what's not true? False. These are so much fun. I don't know why I just kind of like them. Okay. Not false and true and false. This is false. This is false, so not false is true. Q. We don't know what Q is. We do know what P is. And this is an and, right? So what do you think? If Q was false, then it would be false, right? If Q was true, then it would be true. So since we don't know what Q is, and it makes a difference on if it's true or false, then it cannot be determined. P, we don't know, and Q, which is false, and Q, which is false. So what we just did kind of have the backwards of it, but because this is an and false, then we already know that this is going to be false no matter what this is. Even though we don't know what it is, it doesn't matter because that statement's going to be false. And then if I finish it out, what's false and false? False. That's it. Have fun.